Just wanted to do a quick video on this dishwasher. Came to do a diagnostic on it, and all I did was just close the door, and then the whole unit starts smoking. So now I'm gonna open up the door and look down and see what is going on. Yeah, I've never seen that happen before. And all I did was just close the door. Wow. Yeah, I'm glad that came right away.
Yeah, obviously we haven't used it since it happened.
Good,
so
good. Oh boy, that's good. Forgot what's going on here. Open the door panel. Let's take a look, see what's smoking in here. Oh, give me 1 second, sir. Oh my gosh, and there we go. Look at that. That's what is smoking.
Holy shit.
The whole control board is toast. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. This is the first time I've ever seen one that went that defective. Wow. And you said you recently smelled the smoke, huh? I'm glad you guys...
Last time we ran it.
Wow, I'm glad you guys had stopped using it, turned it off, because my goodness, wow. Crispy. Yeah, I know something was going on. As soon as I closed the door, the whole thing starts smoking. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the electricity from it and put a report into them, let them know. Yeah, you almost never see they smoking like that, sir. Alright. Alright, so I'm just gonna disconnect the power from the unit. There, this whole unit looks like it's just gonna need a replacement. Alright.